In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this speech slow the bottle in Adobe Illustrator. If you want to see the color palette that I used for this tutorial, I will link it down in the description below, or you can use your own color palette. You can pause the video and take a screenshot of the sketch that I made. I'll start with a 1000 pixel by 1000 pixel, and then that layer I'm going to convert it into a template. I'll make a new layer and that will be named as outline. Activate the rectangle tool and make sure that the corners are rounded and use a thicker stroke. Round off the top corner of the rectangle and then trace the shape according to your sketch. Trace the inner line with the pen tool using a thinner stroke. I'm going to trace the half part of the bottle using the pen tool and then duplicate it to the right. Select both elements and using the Pathfinder tool, click Unite. Create ellipses to make the lower part of the bottle. Select all elements including the bottle and again Pathfinder and then Unite. Adjust the anchor points using the direct selection tool or the smooth tool. I'm duplicating the bottle shape and then making it smaller with a thinner stroke and adjust according to the sketch. Now everything is ready, create a new layer below and copy all elements to the new layer by clicking this red box while holding Alt and dragging down to the new layer. Make sure to lock the previous layer and hide it so that we don't accidentally draw on it. I'm choosing the purple for the bottle color, but you can be creative and choose your own. For coloring, select the element and change stroke to fill. I'm just playing with the opacity for each color to create definition. Let's use the rectangle tool for the bottle wrap and use a blue color or any color of your choice. Select all the elements and click Shape Builder tool and Alt-click the unwanted shapes. Okay, now let's trace the peach with ellipses and the pen tool. When you're done, select all elements and then using the Pathfinder tool, click the Unite. Using the pen tool, create this line and make sure to set it to a lower stroke. To make the leaf, use two ellipses like so. Go to the Pathfinder tool and use Intersect. Add details such as the eyes, mouth, highlights, and some dots. I made a highlight with the pen tool with a white color, large stroke, and about 50% opacity. Now I'm tracing the letters based on my sketch, but this is really optional. You can definitely just use any built-in font in Adobe Illustrator or any font that you've purchased online from marketplaces like Envato Elements or Creative Fabrica or Adobe Stock. I'm using the pen tool to trace out the letters, the direct selection tool to adjust and round the corners, and then the anchor point tool to curve the straight lines. To create the shadow, just copy the elements and paste them back, then move it to the left and downwards and choose a darker color. Add highlights to the bottle using the pen tool and make sure to lower the opacity to about 50%. This is just optional, but I thought I'd like to add a wave at the back of the peach just to add definition or interest to the design. So that's it, you guys. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Thank you. Bye!